indicator is not a confirm. The indicator is the information. No? Make the information, give the information early enough, and then you can switch the line. No? And the sequence here has to be perfect. Look inside mirror, outside mirror, indication, side look, and Mönchengladbach, Mönchengladbach, Mönchengladbach.
Sorry. This is for the airport.
Airport, right? I said to you in the last, we drive direction airport.
Yes, airport.
Airport. And here's normally 80. And here the speed in the curve is depend from how far you can look. And you see nothing, then here you can drive 50. 50 is okay. 50 is okay. And you come out of this curve, you pump the gas, no? And you pump the gas, and that's not good for my stomach and for my breakfast or lunch. Oh, I have no lunch today. So 130, not more. Not more. 130, not more. Yeah. And if you switch the line, you come from an entry, look inside mirror, outside mirror, indication side look. That's really important, but nothing was there. Yeah, nothing was there. Sorry. So the highway is free now. Not so lot trucks here, but here's a very important situation, a very dangerous. Double solid line, and we have some cars overtake you on the right. Adapt the speed, and we go on the right line. Pay attention for the car in front of you, and you're prepared to change the line to right. You can change the line if you can see the car in the inside mirror. You have overtake, then you can go on the right line. Not earlier.
Yeah.
If you can see the car you have overtake in the inside mirror, then you can switch your lane. Not earlier, please.
Okay.
And we take the next exit. It's really important information for you. Yeah. Oh, that was so strong. Yeah. That was so strong to move the steering. Yeah.
Okay.
So we take the exit here, and now we are in Düsseldorf Flughafen, the airport. We get out, we take the exit now. Exit.
The airport city must be here.
Abflug, no?
What the second?
Abflug, departure.
Airport city. Okay, departure. Okay.
Departure.
I see the airport city.
Departure. And we take the next exit, please. Take the next exit, and here comes the city sign. The city sign, how much speed? 50, no? Indicator, and go out. And you drive with 57, no?
Yeah.
57 is a little bit too much in the exam. And in front of the lamp, we want to turn right. Here's the airport tower. You can see that. Very nice. Okay, and we turn right. In front of the lamp. Pay attention here for the zebra crossing. Look inside, outside, side look. Then look on the left side, give a way sign, and never cross the solid line here with both hands on the steering, please. Here on the right side we have the airport tower. We pause it. Okay. You're too fast. You drive 60 here, and 50 is allowed, no?
Yeah, it's for me. Sorry.
Straight forever, no?
Straight, okay.
You drive straight forever. What you want to do is, you want to turn right, no? But we don't want this, no?
Okay, turn right, okay.
No, in the last. No? And we take the first exit now. So now here comes